Okay, today is June 5th, and man, the mud's drying up, but the bugs are getting nasty. So this is where we kind of left off. We had this tree root in the middle of our project. Threw my shoulder out a little bit, trying to use a pickaxe. Decided that for $127 I can rent this little stump grinder, tote it here manually with my little log dolly or my trailer dolly. So we're going to fire it up and get rid of this stump here. Take this back for a 4-hour rental charge, hopefully. And then, oh yeah, man, nasty things. So what do we think? Definitely has the horsepower to get rid of the tree root there. That's pretty easy. But I tell you, that's a lot of bulwark muscle in that thing. Something to be said for appreciating the self-powered one. Cost twice as much, but whew. Okay, we got the rectangle in, and that's the next trapezoid. I think we're on a pretty good angle there. So for probably $40 with tax or something, that sure say is a lot of work on my part, but buying an axe and swinging it and busting up my body, that was definitely worth it. It worked pretty good too. I didn't even have the parking brake on, just swinging it back and forth. But it worked best when the handle was all the way down, so I have better leverage on it. But yeah, I'd do that again. I wouldn't do a big tree stump, but I'd do tree roots with it. Yeah, so since there's a 4-hour limit on that, I'm not going to work on putting this section in. I'm going to take that back up. Store it over there with the other trapezoid friend. Put the drawbar, or whatever bar that is, back on the front. Connect it all to my log dolly, or my trailer dolly, and get her back.